All right, so here's our example. We're going to annotate. We need to rotate the figure 180 degrees about the origin. So let's do what we always do, which is label everything. This is quadrant 1, positive. Quadrant 2, negative x, positive y. Quadrant 3, everything's negative. And quadrant 4, positive x, negative y. Yes, I want to see that every time. So I need to rotate 180 degrees. They did not tell me which direction, so I'm going to pick clockwise. I need to figure out my order pairs. So for x, it's at -5, -5. Y, -2, -3. And z, -3, -1. Now, in the think about it, I know that everything is just going to become its opposite. So I'm going to switch to a different color, and these -5s are now going to be positive. These are going to be positive, and these as well are going to be positive. So if I'm going clockwise, this would be 90 degrees, so it's here in quadrant 1. What if I'd wanted to go counterclockwise? So say you chose counterclockwise, then it would be 1. It ends up in the same place. So it actually doesn't matter which direction you go. You end up in the same quadrant, okay? And we end up in quadrant 1, where everything is positive. So 5, 5 is x prime. 2, 3 is y prime, and 3, 1 is z prime. Carefully connect. And here is our triangle after a circle turn or 180-degree turn. It's up here in quadrant 1. Everything is now positive. And we saw it doesn't matter if you go clockwise or counterclockwise, it's going to end up in the same spot.